So today we're going to evaluate some log expressions. So starting with log of 2 equals 0.301 and log of 3 equals 0.477, find the log of 6. So let's go ahead and think about this. The log of 6. How else could we write that? Well, maybe we think about what we have here and we know that 6 is the same thing as 2 times 3. And using our law of logs, we know that's the same thing as log of 2 plus log of 3. And now we can just substitute in. Log of 2 we know is 0.301. Log of 3 is 0.477. Add those together. We'll use this tool up here. 0.301 plus 0.477. We get 0.778. So 0.778 is our answer. Okay, let's go over here now. We have log of 1.5. Well, if you can recognize the log of 1.5 when we're given 2 and 3, let's just simply the log of 3 divided by 2. Since 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, we can rewrite this with our laws of logs as log of 3 minus log of 2. Substitute in our values, 0.477, then subtract out our log of 2, 0.301, and we get, try this again, 0.477 minus 0.301, 0.176, 0.176 as our answer. Okay, let's try the next one. Given that log base 8 of 2 equals this value, and log base 8 of 3 equals this value, find log base 8 of 12. So we want to think about it in terms of 2 and 3. So I could say log base 8 of 12 is the same thing as log base 8 of, let's see, 2 times 3, which gives me 6 times 2. So I could even say that's the same thing as log base 8 of 2 squared times 3. I can expand this out. Log base 8 of 2 squared plus log base 8 of 3. And using my power rule, this would equal 2 log base 8 of 2 plus log base 8 of 3. Now substituting in what we have 2. Log base 8 of 2 is just 2 times 0.333 plus log base 8 of 3, which is 0.528. And to get our final answer, we have 2 times 0.333. Put that in parentheses here. And then we will subtract out 0.528. And we get 0.138. All right, and maybe I'll just move this one here a little bit out of the way. Oh, can't do that, I guess. They're attached. Let's look at the next problem. This is log base 8 of 36. I'll write it down here, and then we'll do some erasing. Log base 8 of 36. Now again, thinking in terms of 2 and 3. Well, I can multiply 2 times 3 and get 6. And I know 6 squared. Now there's other ways you could do this too. 6 squared will give us 36. So I could say that this is the same thing as 2 parentheses log base 8 of 2 times 3, which is the same thing as 2 in parentheses log base 8 of 2 plus log base 8 of 3. And notice that I keep these in parentheses since my value of 2 times 3, which is 6, has to be squared. So keep track of that. So we have 2 log base 8 of 2, which is 0.333, plus log base 8 of 3, 0.528. And now we'll go ahead and evaluate that. Do 2.528, 1.772. No, let me check that. 1.722. There we go. All right, if you need to push pause, go ahead, because I'm going to erase all this to the last problem. Our last problem is to expand this log. So first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this so I have log base b of 2x squared y to the 5th all to the 1/3 power. Now, using my law of logs, I know that the power rule will allow me to take this power and bring it out front. So now I have 1/3 times log base b of 2x squared y to the 5th. And now this is where you really need to be careful with your parentheses. So we can expand even more if we have numbers multiplied here. We can use our product rule and say this is the same thing as log base b of 2 plus log base b of x squared plus log base b of y to the 5th. And now expanding within those parentheses again, we'll have log base b of 2 plus, bring out your power, 2 log base b of x plus, bring out your power again, 5 log base b of y. And we could just go ahead and expand that and have 1/3 log base b of 2 plus 2/3 log base b of x plus 5/3 log base b of y. And that's just by expanding my 1/3 throughout. And those just take a lot of practice. So please make sure you're practicing as we're going along. Press pause and be an active listener here.